Hey there, it's Terry here. I have another layout share. I've been doing a lot of scrapbooking just the last couple of weeks, and I don't want these to pile up because then it's way too many to do at once because I talk a lot. you you may have noticed. Anyway, this goes back to, is it October? It's the Cuddle Up Kit from Mercy Tierra. This is this was my doctor, and he's passed away, and I just wanted to do a page about him because he was an awesome dude. I love how it turned out with all the glitter. That's not glitter, that's sequin mix. And that's a Rachel Towman sequin mix. And I can't remember which one it is off the top of my head, but yeah, I love how it turned out. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And this was using the sketch of the month. I think it was for October, but I never got it done in time. So anyway, that's that. Next, I have I hadn't even really played with the Smile Kit either, which was the one before Cuddle Up. Yeah, it was the September, August. Which was it? Hold on. It's going to bother me. So, Smile was, or summer was August. Yeah, so Smile would be September. So for this one, I just cut out a strip from that rainbow paper. Nothing crazy here, just some crazy kids. And for the products that I use from my stash, I've got three little, I don't know what kind of florals those would be, but they're from like a Donna Downey Prima collaboration from years and years ago. Like I want to say that was maybe before I had my store, so it's a long time ago. And then this little Happy transparent Polaroid frame was from one of my kits back in the day. I used this. This is from one of the first kits that Mercy Tierra did. I can't think of the name, but it's in my Mercy Tierra stash because I have it all together here. So that was, oh, and then I used the confetti mix from Smile as well. So there's one from that. This is two. This is Josh going back to school, and this one I just was like laying, I felt like just laying stuff every which way. His photo is the only straight thing really, and then these little bits here, but some of these are stickers, some are fussy cut from the paper. Did Back to the Books as the title. The two is from a previous kit, and I just used the Sakura? The Jelly Roll pen, anyway. As far as some older stash, I think this is the only thing. It's like a little library card. I can't recall who made that. It's been so long. Oh, and these little green enamel dots are from one of a previous Mercy Tierra kit. And then I did use a Scrap and Happy Studio Flair there. And then this is Cameron's birthday. This is the third one I got done with the Smile Kit. Used a couple of Flair. This arrow was in my stash. I want to say I got that. I think it's like a Maggie Holmes or a, it's old. Anyway, I incorporated a few of the lemons because there's lemons on his placemat. I used a little bit of trim that was kicking around, and then I have like three little rainbows, and then three little hearts and three little stars. So lots of good stuff on that one. And then what was next? Oh, so I finally started on the last series of the Christie's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches, and this one was from what was it, 16, series 16. So this is 49 and Market Wherever. I used some Scrap and Happy Studio Flair. These are Happy Day thickers, and I'm probably going to have to glue those down. I just I'm waiting to get some different adhesive because I'll make a mess with what I've got right now, and because they're so thin. But this was when we tore down the little house that was here before. And this was day one from Lisa Brooks, and then her YouTube is at Life and Layouts. So I think you can tell. Instead of these little flag banners and such, I used like ephemera and the film strips. And then the only older item I used here from my stash was this tag. I wouldn't have a clue where it came from, but there's day one done. And I also have gotten, it was day 9. So I'm doing them out of order, but it was the same line of paper from 49 and Market, the Wherever collection. And then I used 3 different sets of flair from Scrap and Happy Studios. So there's a little tractor there, a little camera, and this is today. I called it Man on the Move. Oh, this sticker tag is it was one that was in my stash, and then this tag is an old one too. Oh, and this little guy here, this little tag, and then this little tag. Those are both, or 1, 2, 3, 4 items out of my old stash. So happy to be getting those used up. But that was day 9 from Claudia Henderson. I just did the one side, and she's got like a big photo and 3 small ones. I just used the 2 3.5 by 5 photos, and then I did use the strips coming in that way. I really liked the composition of it, but I just kind of want to get these photos done, and I really like how everything's popping off that dark background. So there's 2 done out of that last month's, or gosh, was it October? And then I have gotten one little layout done with the Cheerful Kit. And nothing groundbreaking here, just, you know, gutted paper, background paper, fussy cut business, some die cuts. This is from the Pocket Page cards, and I just fussy cut the cats out of it because this is pictures of Peyton when she was opening the gift that I sent with Willie, and it's like a IMAS. It says Catnap on it. It's got the whiskers because she likes kitty cats. So I thought that was really cute. For my old stash, I used 3 of these Martha Stewart doilies just tucked in, and then I just the confetti mix from Cheerful is gorgeous. So I didn't put any down here. I just focused it all up here where the heavier dots are. But yeah, I'm getting a bit done, considering I haven't done sweet bugger all since, well, I did one in October. That was it. And beyond, you know, it's been slim pickings. So that's it for today. Just wanted to kind of get those out of the way so I could put them away and not have a big honking pile of them at the end of the month. Actually, I hope I have more. I hope that's not it for the month. Let's, fingers crossed. Yeah, so thanks for stopping in and checking them out, and we'll be back soon, hopefully. Talk to you again. Bye now.